Hi, my name is Ashna and I'm one of the 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗀 franchise owner, and we have been in this business for about 1 year, 6 months. Before entering into this business, I was working as a receptionist at one of the radiology companies here in Gold Coast. So the reason I chose 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀 was when I was doing my research into which business to invest, I went onto their website and they seemed really structured, and I know that cleaning business is a very lucrative one, and so that's why my husband and I would plan to invest into it. So since being in this business, I must say, to be honest, that it is physically very challenging, but at the end of the job, it's really rewarding seeing the office clean and presentable for our clients for the next day. One thing most I love about doing this job is making a difference in our client's life. At the end of the job, when we have a look and the office looks clean and presentable and ready for our staff to enjoy their day next day, it makes a huge difference into my life. Personally, I feel very rewarded and that I've made a difference into someone's life. Ever since we've entered into this business, we've received a huge support from our regional managers and head office as well. And we are very grateful to have them in our lives. I would highly recommend this business to anyone who is interested or is thinking about investing into a cleaning business. Since joining 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀, we've not only made profit, but it has also opened up our mindset. There's so much knowledge that we have gained, and just making difference into our client's life has made a huge impact into our life.